Hey guys, Scott Beebe coming to you live from somewhere in the state of Georgia today. Big state actually this week, the state of Georgia, needed to come through from a presidential standpoint, from a certain side and from not another side, and all of that. And so I'm in Georgia today, and I thought I would share with you a couple of things as I've been on the road today of tools that have been an absolute priority for me to be able to do to help small business owners be liberated from the chaos of working in their business. The first thing that I've found is the hotel lobby. I've actually called ahead to 2 different hotels over the last, this morning, to let them know that I was going to be passing through on the interstate, and I needed a place just to come sit down for about an hour, hour and a half to do some Wi-Fi work to conduct online meetings. And you know what? I spoke to Baxter at Marriott in Macon, and I spoke to Jasmine here at the DoubleTree in Atlanta. And I've been so moved by how open they are just to let me come in. They gave me a code, sat down. I told them I'd be happy to pay a day charge or whatever it costs. And they're like, no, just come on in. And I'm in this really cool office area right here in the DoubleTree. And so I've got an office chair that I'm sitting in. And this office thing, and there's my computer, and it's not a bad view behind me. And in front of me, there's a pool and a guy working on the pool, and it's cool. So don't underestimate the opportunity that you have to call ahead to larger hotels that have got maybe Wi-Fi in their lobby, and just park it there and just ask them, hey, I'm willing to pay a day rate. Would it be okay? And 2 out of 2 today have both told me, hey, don't worry about that. Just come on in and be our guest. And so that's been a real nice tool. The second tool that I've used today already a couple of times is our virtual assistant team, because I've been on the road, and periodically I'll stop in and have a couple of questions about disc profiles or about audio links or about web links or whatever. And Jesse, who is our web VA, does a great job of being able to just track that stuff down, get to it, get it out to who it needs to go to. So what I can do is kind of broker the correspondence, and then they can take care of all the back-end links because we've processed everything out along the way, or at least most everything. And so that's the second tool that we've used, is the ability to be able to use our VA team on the road to ship links out, to go look at stuff that we need help on, that customers need help on, and getting access to that. And even people who aren't customers. We had one guy today shoot us an email and ask for an old link to one of our webinars. And so being able to get Jessie on that, I don't know where it is. She knows where it is. I could probably find it, but it would take me a lot of time, where she can just go knock it out, get it done, and get that not even somebody who's our customer happy. So don't underestimate the hotel lobbies. Call ahead. They might allow you to come in there and work. Don't underestimate the power of a virtual assistant on the road. And the third thing is cloud software. I would guesstimate that probably in the range of about 95% of our business is run through Google Drive. And I'll show you an example of that right now. So right there, we're about to go through the architect firm Freedom Formula with our team. Hey, Ryan, happy Thursday to you, man. Bill, good to see you. It's in the cloud right now. All of our stuff's in the cloud, so we can link, we can take back. I just got done with a group coaching call, and we are just about to post all of our live calls and everything. Well, the only way we can do that is through cloud-based software. And so we use this cloud-based software to get this stuff up. Like, for instance, we record all of our calls. Well, at the end of a call, all we do is go right here, put it on a page, and through the cloud-based links, I was just able to put that button into blue, and then also create the audio buttons right here. You click on those right there, and it takes you to the actual audio calls. Well, because we've got everything locked and loaded in the cloud, all it is a series of links that just goes to the documents, goes to the calls, goes to the audio files. And God, it's so simple to be able to share stuff that way. And so 3 tools I've used today. 2 different hotel lobbies who they've just said, hey, come on in, be our guest. We're happy to have you. The Marriott in Macon and the DoubleTree here. And it's actually, where am I? Marietta, just north of Atlanta. The second is using our VA team to really manage links and people going here, there, and other and yonder, and getting links to different people. And the third base is Google Drive, our cloud-based software, where we're able to essentially attach a link. In fact, let me show you. So I've got this document open here. Well, and this is just like a regular Word document. But if you look here at the top right where it says Share, when I click on that Share button, all of a sudden this window pops up. I can either, with this document, share it in view only, share it so you can comment, or share it so you can edit. So all I got to do is take that link right there and copy and paste it into a text or into an email, and you're ready to rock and roll. So a lot of people ask me, how do you work mobile? How do you do all that? Well, this is one of the ways, is you leverage the power of hotel lobbies, just like this one. And again, this is the DoubleTree in Marietta, and they were kind enough to just say, no, go on in, do your thing, whatever you need to do. And then the other thing is leveraging the power of your virtual assistant team. In fact, one of the things we had our VA team do today is take an old webinar link and get that to somebody who just reached out to us because they were interested in what they're doing. And then final thing, the third thing is actually leveraging cloud-based software. It's a whole lot easier than you think it is. If you want an easy barrier to entry, just start with Google Drive. All you got to do is go to drive.google.com. And there's tons of tutorials. You can get started there. Real powerful platform. So anyway, hope this has been helpful. Hope you guys are having a great Thursday after a chaotic week around the United States right now. So wherever you are, Sam, good to see you. Suzanne, good to see you. Jeff, Kevin, awesome. Great to see you guys. Thanks for jumping on. And let me know if you guys have any questions about working mobile or using virtual assistants, or especially the cloud-based software. And I've got some webinars coming up here in the next few weeks. So stay tuned. We're talking about how to coach, if you're a business owner, how to coach your team rather than having boss your team around, how to coach your team. So we're going to be doing that in some webinars here in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned. Let us know if you got any questions. Shoot us an email. VA is underperforming. Nice, Jeff. Very, very well played. That's very good. So, yeah, I appreciate the insight. All right, guys, you guys have a great rest of your Thursday, and we'll talk soon.